These are not your average chocolate chip cookies. Today, I'm going to show you how I skip the eggs and use golden honey for the most decadent cookie you'll ever taste. Just recently, I helped my son harvest his very first batch of honey, and we had almost 4 gallons. And I remembered a chocolate chip cookie recipe that called for honey. So, of course, I had to make some cookies. Something else interesting about this recipe is it has no eggs. That's right, no eggs. In a small bowl, you need 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. You whisk that around to blend and set aside. So in another bowl about medium size, you're going to take a 1/4 cup of white sugar and a 1/2 cup of honey. So good. And then you need a 1/2 cup of salted softened butter. And then you're going to mix it. But don't mix it too much. I think I mixed mine too much. It still came out good, but the recipe says do not overmix. Oops. Once you have all those ingredients mixed, you're going to add the flour mixture until it's blended. Again, don't overmix. I definitely overmixed. But then you're going to add a whole cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Oh, yummy. And then you put them on an ungreased cookie sheet. I put them about a couple of inches apart. I got about 20 cookies out of this. I had a really big cookie sheet. And then you bake them 300 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now, they're not the prettiest cookies, and it's probably because I overmixed them. But boy, did they taste good. Let me know if you try them, and thanks for joining me today. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.